Hi, this is Brian over at ConsignPro with a quick tutorial on how to move contact data from ConsignPro over to Constant Contact. Whether you're using Constant Contact or any other email tool, moving the data or email addresses from ConsignPro over to that tool is really quite simple. To do that, you'll start by clicking Tools, Export Email Addresses. We're going to click Yes that we really want to do that. And ConsignPro is going to create two little files on your computer hard drive, econsign.csv and ecustomer.csv. With those two files on your hard drive, we can now jump into our Constant Contact tool. I've already got it open. I'm going to click my Contacts link up at the top. And now it's just a matter of bringing those contacts into Constant Contact so that we can use that list for sending emails. At the top, we're going to click on Add Contacts. Every email platform has something a little bit different. They're all going to be similar. Add contacts, upload from a file. That's what we're looking for because we've created that file in the ConsignPro folder. I'm going to browse my computer. I'm going to select my C drive. I'm going to select Program Files x86. And I'm going to open up the ConsignPro folder. I'm now going to scroll down. I'm going to find eConsign. That was just created. There's about 800 addresses in that file from ConsignPro. And I'm going to click Open. At this point, Constant Contact is smart enough to match the contents of my file with the different fields that it can put those contents into. It's selected column A, matched to first name, column B, matched to last name, and column C, matched to email address. That's what's in those files from ConsignPro. I'm going to click Continue. I'm going to create a new list down here at the bottom. I'm going to call it CP Demo 2. I'm going to click Create. This creates a list to stick all those contacts into, and I'm going to click Upload. And what it's doing now is it's bringing the contact information that you've exported from ConsignPro into Constant Contact, into a list called CP Demo 2. Once that list is created, and it just finished, I can now use that list to send emails. I can go back to my Campaigns tab at the top, where all my emails are. I can click on More. I'd like to schedule this email note. And you'll notice here in my lists, I now have CP Demo 2. I can select that list, and the email will go out to everybody that I had in ConsignPro as a consigner. It's really that simple to bring those transactions, I call them transactions, they're not transactions, they're contact data, over to Constant Contact, MailChimp, or whatever other email marketing tool you're using. Once you have those lists developed, then you can use that list to send great-looking marketing notes to your consigners, your customers, or both. You should bring the lists from ConsignPro over to your marketing tool about once a month because data will have changed in ConsignPro. You'll have collected new email addresses. There's no need to worry about duplication. You can bring the same consigner or customer over 100 times. They're only going to appear in your list once. Constant Contact, MailChimp, all of the tools have tools built into their import to not allow duplicates or email addresses. So do that regularly. Keep your list nice and fresh. Email those consigners, email those customers right from the marketing tool. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any additional questions about how to send data from ConsignPro over to your marketing tool, you can certainly drop me a note. My email address is brian@consignpro.com. Thanks, and have a great day.